Welcome to another L7 Solutions, CIO in 60 Seconds. I'm Ken Tucker, Business Technology Advisor at L7 Solutions. Here's a number that surprised me. 62% of small business owners now use AI in their business. That's not a tech industry survey. That's the US Chamber of Commerce talking to the same kinds of businesses you and I work with every day. Plumbers, law firms, accounting practices, hotels, the majority are using AI. But here's what caught my attention. The most common use case, research and brainstorming, 51%, content creation, 44%. And those are genuinely useful, they save time. But the businesses that are actually changing their bottom line, they're not using AI to write social media posts. And if they are allowing automation to create and post to social media on a calendar schedule for the entire month. They're using it to automate the work that was eating their staff alive. Most small businesses are using AI like a fancy search engine. You ask it a question, it gives you an answer, you copy it somewhere and move on. That's fine, but it's surface level. Meanwhile, there are repetitive tasks running in the background of every small business that nobody loves doing and everyone just tolerates. New client intake forms, scheduling callbacks, invoice follow-ups, answering the same 5 questions on your website every single day. Status updates to clients that take 10 minutes each and add up to hours every week. That's where the real money is, and most small businesses haven't touched it yet. What changed is that AI moved from being a content tool to an operational one. A couple of years ago, automating a business workflow required a developer, a real budget, and a lot of patience. Today, tools exist that connect your existing systems, your email, your calendar, your client database, and automate entire workflows without writing a single line of code. The barrier dropped significantly, but most small business owners still think of AI as something you use for marketing. The opportunity is much bigger than that. Take a law firm. Every new client goes through the same intake process. Fill out a form, sign a retainer, get a welcome email, schedule a consultation. That entire sequence can be automated. The attorney doesn't touch it until the client is already onboarded and sitting in that first call. Or a roofing company in South Florida. Every major storm means hundreds of contact form submissions in 48 hours. An AI-powered intake system can triage those leads by urgency, send a same-hour response to every single one, and build your call list before the crew gets in Monday morning. Accounting firm during tax season, client document requests, reminder sequences, status updates, all of it can run on its own, while your CPAs focus on the work that actually requires a CPA. Here's where businesses get tripped up. They try to build these automations themselves using free tools. It half works, something breaks, nobody knows how to fix it, and the whole thing gets abandoned. The technology is genuinely accessible now, but connecting it correctly to your specific business, your specific systems, and your specific workflows, that takes someone who has done it before. A bad automation wastes more time than no automation, and it creates the illusion of progress without the results. This is exactly what L7's AI automation practice is built around. We don't sell software. We sit down with you, map out where your team is spending time on repetitive work, and help you build the automations that give that time back. Every engagement is custom because no two businesses run the same way. If you've ever said we should automate that and never gotten around to it, that's the conversation we want to have. If you'd like to explore how AI automation could impact your business, give us a call at 954-573-1300. Visit us online at www.l7solutions.com or email our sales team directly at sales@l7solutions.com. That's sales at L7 Solutions. We are here when you're ready. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next CIO in 60 seconds. And remember that your success is our success.